Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, today we will start the first lecture of unit number 12, and the name of our unit is Keeping Ourselves Clean. Keeping ourselves clean यानी कि कैसे हम अपने आप को साफ रख सकते हैं. My dear students, let's quickly start the lecture with an activity. So my dear students, जल्दी से आपको कुछ faces जो हैं वो स्क्रीन पे नज़र आ रहे हैं और ये सब faces जो हैं ये sick बच्चों के हैं, जो बच्चे बीमार हो जाते हैं. So my dear students, quickly tell me, have you ever been sick? क्या आप कभी बीमार हुए हैं? जल्दी से सोचें. हुए थे प्रीवियस मंथ, बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी थी तो सब बच्चे बीमार हो गए थे, याद है? ओके, सो हाउ डू यू फील व्हेन यू गेट सिक? आपको कैसा महसूस होता है जब आप बीमार हो जाते हैं? वी फील बैड, वी फील वेरी लेजी एंड वी डू नॉट फील वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ टेल मी व्हाट मेक्स अस सिक. हम बीमार क्यों पड़ जाते हैं? क्या चीज़ हमें बीमार करती है? सोचें जरा. गंदे हाथ, शाबाश, एंड जंक फूड. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आपको यही कि हम कैसे बीमार हो जाते हैं. But before that, let's sing a poem about cleanliness. Everybody will try to sing and stand up everyone and do the actions with me. Cleanliness, cleanliness, it gives you happiness. It gives you happiness. Keep your surrounding a very clean, dust and tidy, wash and preen. Wash your hands with soap and water. Keep them neat and clean. Keep them neat and clean. Brush your teeth, attend to bathing. Brush your teeth and attend to bathing. Keep your hair, wear clean clothes. Clip your nails every week. Clip your nails every week to keep the germs away. Throw the rubbish in the bins. Throw the rubbish in the bins to keep the mosquitoes and flies away. So my dear students, this was all about cleanliness, कि कैसे जो है हम अपने आप को साफ रख सकते हैं and how we can keep ourselves healthy. So my dear students, with this poem, let's quickly look at today's objective, that by the end of today's lecture, all the students will be able to recognize the fact that germs can cause diseases and list ways to avoid germs. कैसे जो है हम बीमार हो जाते हैं और germs जो है इनकी वजह से हम बीमार हो जाते हैं और कैसे जो है हम germs से बच सकते हैं. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, cleanliness is half the faith. So my dear students, नबी पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया है कि सफाई निस्फ यानी कि आधा ईमान है. So with this good message, let's move forward towards pre-reading. Quickly tell me, where do you like to play? In a clean place? Of course, yes. Or in a dirty place? Of course not. Everybody likes to play in a clean place. और dirty place पे तो हम जाना भी पसंद नहीं करते ना, वहाँ खेलने से बीमार भी हो सकते हैं. So my dear students, now quickly tell me, how do you feel after taking a bath? नहाने के बाद सबको कैसा महसूस होता है? I hope everybody feels fresh and clean. Now my dear students, quickly open page number 96. I hope everybody has opened page number 96. Now let's quickly first look at the picture. Here's a boy, and what do you think he is doing? What has happened to him? Oh, somebody said he is sick, बीमार हो गया है. Yes, very good. Good thinking. ये बच्चा बीमार हो गया है. ये बच्चा अहमद है. This is Ahmed. Meet Ahmed, and Ahmed is not feeling well. He is sick, and let's read about Ahmed's story. Listen to this of Ahmed. Ahmed has stomach ache. Ahmed has stomach ache. यानी कि अहमद के पेट में या मैदे में दर्द हो गया है। His parents are worried about him. His parents are worried about him. अहमद के जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा worried हैं, परेशान हैं। His father takes him to the hospital. His father takes him to the hospital. Ahmed meets his friend Fahad in the hospital. हॉस्पिटल में अहमद को कौन मिलता है? उसका फ्रेंड फहद. He is suffering from diarrhea. He is suffering from diarrhea. Now diarrhea जो है ये पेट खराब और जब आपको वॉमिटिंग होती है that disease is called diarrhea और उसका जो दोस्त है उसको डायरिया हो गया है. The doctor checks them both. The doctor checks them both. Ahmed asks the doctor, what makes us ill? Ahmed asks the doctor, what makes us ill? Germs have made you ill. Germs have made you ill. The doctor replies. डॉक्टर ने उनको बताया कि जरासीम यानी कि जर्म्स की वजह से आप बीमार हो जाते हैं. Germs? What are these germs? Asks Fahad. फहद जो है वो डॉक्टर से पूछता है कि जर्म्स क्या होते हैं. Germs are very small living things. Germs are very small living things. These are so small that we cannot see them with naked eye. So here you can see in the corner, these are the germs. और germs को हम naked eye से या अपनी आंखों से नहीं देख सकते. So my dear students, आपके hands के ऊपर surroundings में बहुत सारे germs हैं. Even now मेरे hands पे भी बहुत सारे germs हो सकते हैं. But I cannot see them. My hands seem to be clean. क्योंकि germs इतने छोटे होते हैं कि हम उनको naked eye से या अपनी आंखों से नहीं देख सकते. We can see them under a microscope. That is a microscope, okay? Here in the corner you can see this is a microscope and under the microscope we can see the germs only. The doctor explains to the boys, but how do these germs get into our body? Ahmed asks the doctor curiously. But how do these germs get into our body? ये हमारी body में कैसे आ जाते हैं germs? Ahmed asks curiously. Ahmed हैरानी से पूछता है. Curious means हैरानी से. The doctor tells them our unhealthy habits cause these germs to enter into our body through nose, mouth and guts. अब डॉक्टर ने उन्हें क्या बताया कि अनहेल्दी हैबिट्स की वजह से जर्म्स हमारी नाक से, हमारे हाथों से, हमारे मुंह से और हमारे जो कट्स होते हैं, अगर हमें कोई चोट लग जाए उन कट्स के थ्रू हमारी बॉडी के अंदर एंटर हो जाते हैं और हमें बीमार कर देते हैं. Again, let's read. The doctor shows a chart of such habits that has made Ahmed and Fahad ill. अब डॉक्टर ने अहमद और फहद को कुछ अनहेल्दी हैबिट्स का चार्ट दिखाया जिसकी वजह से अहमद और फहद बीमार हुए थे. Here is the chart of unhealthy habits. In the first picture, you can see there is lots of smoke. की वजह से a boy is coughing. So when you do not wear mask, you become ill. And if you come out of the toilet without washing your hands, you can become ill. If you will eat your food with dirty hands, you will become ill. If you will not wear clothes according to the season, you can also become ill. और अगर आप बाहर से खाना लेकर खाएंगे from the vendors, it has lots of germs, you can become ill. और अगर आप बगैर धुली हुई unwashed vegetables और fruits खाएंगे, you can become ill. So these are all the habits जिसकी वजह से अहमद और फहद बीमार हुए हैं और आप भी बीमार हो सकते हैं. So avoid these unhealthy habits. Wear the mask. No washing. If you will not wash the hands after coming out of the toilet, if you will eat with dirty hands, if you will not wear appropriate clothes, if you will eat food from street food or from the vendors, and if you will eat unwashed food and vegetables, you can become ill. So my dear students, here is an activity. Students to narrate any of their personal experience when somebody in their family or friends has fallen ill due to unhygienic food or germs. So my dear students, now you can pause the video और आप लोग जो है वो कोई भी ऐसी स्टोरी जो है वो नरेट कर सकते हैं जिसमें आपके बहन भाई या आपके फ्रेंड्स या आपके घर में जो है कोई पर्सन जो है वो किसी भी अनहेल्दी हैबिट की वजह से बीमार हो गया था. सो यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो एंड यू कैन नरेट द स्टोरी. वेरी गुड. नाउ read the story to the students. मैंने आपको स्टोरी सुना दी है. Just make the students understand the ways they should avoid to stay healthy. ठीक है. और मैंने आपको वो तरीके भी बताए हैं कि जिनको आप अवॉइड करके सेहतमंद रह सकते हैं. So my dear students, अब आप मुझे बताएं कि आप जर्म्स से कैसे जो है सकते हैं. By taking a bath daily, by washing your hands, by keeping your environment clean, and by throwing the trash in the dustbin, you can avoid germs. Okay? So my dear students, now is the time for practice. Quickly open page number 103 and from there you will open the writing practice, and today we will do question number 5. I hope everybody has opened the page number 103. You also need your notebooks for this question. How do germs enter into our body? Germs हमारी body में कैसे enter होते हैं? Very good. जल्दी से बताएं. आप बताएं मुझे. Through our mouth, through our nose, or through the cuts or the wounds, germs enter into our body and can make us ill. Very good. You will complete this question in your notebooks. I hope everybody has finished it. Now let's move forward. So for the evaluation, I will ask some listening and speaking questions from the same unit. This page is given in your book, page number 101. What made Ahmed ill? Germs. Excellent. What are germs? Germs are very small living things that enter into our body and can make us ill. Can we see germs with naked eye? No, we can see it with a microscope. How do germs enter into our body? Germs enter into our body through our nose, mouth, or cuts or wounds. Very good. Now is the time to note down the homework. So my dear students, here is the homework, home activity number 1. It is given with your reading page, जहाँ पे भी हमने अहमद की story पढ़ी थी. What do you know about germs? Complete the following web. Germs are small living things. Germs cannot be seen with naked eye. Germs enter our body through nose, mouth and cuts. Germs cause illness. Very good. You will complete it in your books. You will do it in your homework. And what have we learned today? आज हमने क्या सीखा प्यारे बच्चों? Today we learned that germs make us ill. These get attached to our body due to our unhealthy habits. So my dear students, germs जो हैं ये hमें बीमार कर देते हैं, and germs get attached to our hands and can enter into our body through our mouth, nose and through our cuts, and they make us ill. और ये हमारी बॉडी के साथ कैसे अटैच होते हैं? Through our unhealthy habits. So we must avoid all the unhealthy habits. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Keep everybody around you safe. Avoid the germs. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.